Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. So here lately I have been struggling with my 4C natural hair, trying to get super defined curls, and I came across this natural on YouTube. Her name is the Gloved Natural. Love her so much. So I saw this video she made on how to get super defined curls on 4C natural hair. When I saw the product she used, I realized that I have the exact same product in my stash, and so I thought, okay, I'm going to use it. I'm going to follow her exact steps and see if I'm able to get the result that she got. So I decided to try. So here I'm starting off with clean hair. I already washed, detangled, and washed, shampooed and conditioned my hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and follow her exact steps using the exact product that she used. The product will be listed in the description box below. So I'm going to do the same thing that she did and see if my hair is going to come out as good, because like I said, I have been struggling with getting defined curls on like good twist out. And please, if you are going through the same thing, or if you have any product that you have used and it has been working out for you, as you guys can see, like I've always said, I have very coarse 4C hair, and so it's always a struggle trying to get defined twist out. I don't think in my natural hair journey I have ever gotten any like I've never gotten any result that I'm really satisfied with, like twisting with my twist out. So yeah, if you guys have any like product that works for you guys, especially if you have 4C hair, please leave them down below. I would love to try it. I really want to wear my hair out a lot this summer, but sometimes because I'm not able to get good twist out, I'm always frustrated, and I ended up putting on a wig and doing something different with my hair. But I really want to wear my hair out. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. So in her video, she was very heavy-handed with her product, and I was like, okay, probably that's why it worked out for her. So I did the same thing. So as you can see, I'm also heavy-handed with my product. That's why you're seeing all those white stuff on my hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing. So she used the LCO method, liquid, cream and oil. So I'm doing the exact same thing, using the liquid first, the cream and the oil, so to twist out my hair. And let's see, I'm just hoping and praying that it comes out well, but let's see if it actually did. Okay, so I'm almost done twisting my hair. After that, I'm going to cover my head up with my satin bonnet, and I did this late. I think it was around 8 p.m. so I was already really tired, so please ignore my tired face here. So yeah, when I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and cover up my head and go to sleep, and I'm going to untwist this tomorrow. So yeah, it's the next day. I'm going to go ahead and apply some oil to my hair and onto my hands before I begin to untwist my hair. She said when you're untwisting, you always have to go the opposite way that you twisted your hair, and that is exactly what I'm trying to do here. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and try to untwist my hair now, and also further separate my hair just to see if I can have more volume, because another thing that I struggle with is like volume, especially if I just if my twist out is on a freshly washed hair. The only time that I get volume is if I retwist. Like I twisted my hair now, maybe after a couple of days I decide to retwist. I've noticed that is the only time I get volume on my hair, like the kind of volume that I really want. But if I'm just doing a twist out on a freshly washed hair, my hair doesn't really I don't really have that volume, and I don't know why. after further separating my hair, I usually like to go in with my big comb to leave the root of my hair a little bit for added volume, and then I will proceed to style as I desire. And yeah, so guys, here is the result of my twist out following the Glove Natural method. And I don't know if I would say this was a successful twist out or not, but you guys will let me know, because I really don't think it is, but overall it's not bad. So but you guys should let me know what you think in the comment section. If there's anything different you think I should do, let me know. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.